We get a Whirlpool washer, and the problem is we're plugged in, no power. So display totally blank. So I want to show you something that pay attention to these things, because this would cause you to replace the user or even the main board, and neither of those are bad. So the problem is we have a low voltage component that is no longer working, and when that happens, the board is not energized. So whenever you open your cover and you look here, you should see a green light. Right now the board is active, meaning that would zap you. 120 volts there. So we have power, but we have one component that is no longer functioning, and it's eating up basically all the stored energy to utilize this function. All right, let me show you where it's at, and then we're going to unplug that component, restore power here, then you'll see what part is bad. Close-ups are really good because you can see what's going on. So I'm going to unplug this connector, and I will show you what it does. Pay attention to somewhere over here. It's the black, yellow, and red. Don't break your tabs. Pay attention. See the light coming on? Power just came back. Display is on. All right, so we're gonna power it up. Much better visual. Board is ready. Alright guys, don't chunk your machine, and I'm going to show you what the part is. I already showed you the connector. Now let's take a look at the part. Alright, this guy here, sort of connector, comes through, and I'll show you the wire. This is what is shorting out, and it's taking out, not taking out, but cutting power to the board. So either this portion here is shorted out, the wire is cut, that is why we're having the short. So plug the unit, take a look at it, see if you can find the problem. If not, you have to replace. Check down here first, and I think I can see, thought it looked kind of weird. This can come out. I think the problem is in here. Yeah, look at this wire. See that? Black wire is totally shorted. So this sensor here, yeah, it's shorting out. So this will have to be replaced, guys. So you might need to wipe this stuff off. It's gonna be pretty gnarly. Looks almost like somebody was messing with this. But anyways, this is the issue here. And it's your dispenser sensor wire. It's shorted out and it's eating up all the voltage. Now there should be a tab in here. Make sure you unplug from the board, bring it through here. I have a part number as well for you, and I think it's either this one. You pry up this one. All right, there it is. Look at the wires. Who knows? We might be able to even. No, this is pretty shorted. So they're cheap. I'll link the part number. So just make sure nothing is damaged here. It's not that tight of a seal anyways, but you don't want it to leak. All right, wipe it well before you install your new sensor. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Might have that video, but hopefully this will save you from having to throw away or throw parts of the machine. Thanks for watching.